Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back on my YouTube channel. Uyu munsi hano tugiye kwiga itandukaniro riri hagati ya present simple, present perfect, past simple ndetse na future simple. Niba ukeneye kwihugura ku rurimi rw'icyongereza, twandikire kuri WhatsApp nambona muri screen yawe. Present simple: I speak English fluently every day. I speak English fluently every day. Mvuga icyongereza neza buri munsi. Past simple: I spoke English fluently every day. I spoke English fluently every day. Navugaga icyongereza neza buri munsi. Murimo kumva itandukaniro rya present simple ndetse na past simple. Present simple ni ibintu biba buri munsi, noneho past simple ni ibintu byabaga buri munsi ariko uyu munsi byarangiye bitakiba. Present perfect: I have spoken English fluently. I have spoken English fluently. Maze kuvuga icyongereza neza. Present perfect ntituvuga igihe igikorwa cyabereye, gusa kiba cyarabaye muri past, shobora kuba ari mu kanya gato gahise, cyumweru cyahise cyangwa se ejo hahise ndetse n'umwaka wahise, ariko ntituvuga igihe byabereye. Future simple: I will speak English fluently every day. I will speak English fluently every day. Nzajya mvuga icyongereza neza buri munsi. Present simple: We complete our responsibilities on time every day. We complete our responsibilities on time every day. Dusohoza inshingano zacu ku gihe buri munsi. Past simple: We completed our responsibilities on time every day. We completed our responsibilities on time every day. Twasohozaga inshingano zacu ku gihe buri munsi. Bivuze ko nonaha byarangiye. Present perfect: We have completed our responsibilities on time. We have completed our responsibilities on time. Twasohoje inshingano zacu ku gihe. Future simple: We will complete our responsibilities on time every day. We will complete our responsibilities on time every day. Tuzajya dusohoza inshingano zacu ku gihe buri munsi. To buy new shoes every week. To buy new shoes every week. Kugura inkweto nshya buri cyumweru. Present simple: We buy new shoes every week. We buy new shoes every week. Tugura inkweto nshya buri cyumweru. Past simple: We bought new shoes every week. We bought new shoes every week. Twaguraga inkweto nshya buri cyumweru. Present perfect: We have bought new shoes. We have bought new shoes. Twaguze inkweto nshya. Future simple: We will buy new shoes every week. We will buy new shoes every week. Tuzajya tugura inkweto nshya buri cyumweru. To forgive every day. To forgive every day. Kubabarira buri munsi. Present simple: I forgive you every day. I forgive you every day. Nkubabarira buri munsi. Past simple: I forgave you every day. I forgave you every day. Nakubabariraga buri munsi. Present perfect, I have forgiven you. I have forgiven you. Nakubabariye. Future simple, I will forgive you every day. I will forgive you every day. Nzajya nkubabarira buri munsi. To give you too many chances. To give you too many chances. To give you too many chances. Kuguha amahirwe menshi cyane. I give you too many chances. Present simple, I give you too many chances. I give you too many chances. Nguha amahirwe menshi cyane. Past simple, I gave you too many chances. I gave you too many chances. Naguhaga amahirwe menshi cyane. It means uyu munsi wa none ntayo nkiguha. Present perfect, I have given you too many chances. I have given you too many chances. Naguhaye amahirwe menshi cyane. Future simple, I will give you too many chances. I will give you too many chances. Nzaguha amahirwe menshi cyane. To eat beans every day. To eat beans every day. Kurya ibishyimbo buri munsi. Present simple, they eat beans every day. They eat beans every day. Barya ibishyimbo buri munsi. Past simple, they ate beans every day. They ate beans every day. Baryaga ibishyimbo buri munsi. Present perfect, they have eaten beans. They have eaten beans. Bariye ibishyimbo. Future simple, they will eat beans every day. They will eat beans every day. Bazarya ibishyimbo buri munsi. To read books every night. Gusoma ibitabo buri joro. Present simple, I read books every night. I read books every night. Soma ibitabo buri joro. Past simple, I read books every night. I read books every night. Pay attention. Hano mwitonde. Verb to read muri present simple dusoma I read, muri past tugasoma I read. Ariko kwandika byandikwa kimwe. Verb to read ntigihinduka. I read books every night. Nasomaga ibitabo buri joro. I read books every night. Nasomaga ibitabo buri joro. Present perfect, I have read many books. I have read many books. Nasomye ibitabo byinshi. Future simple, I will read books every night. I will read books every night. Nzajya nsoma ibitabo buri joro. To help my parents every day. To help my parents every day. Gufasha ababyeyi banjye buri munsi. Present simple, I help my parents every day. I help my parents every day. Fasha ababyeyi banjye buri munsi. Past simple, I helped my parents every day. I helped my parents every day. Nafashaga ababyeyi banjye buri munsi. Present perfect, I have helped my parents. I have helped my parents. Nafashije ababyeyi banjye. Future simple, I will help my parents every day. I will help my parents every day. nzajya mfasha ababyeyi banjye buri munsi. Thank you for watching this video. Like, subscribe, share and comment.